we're going to skirmy on through this really quick. Just made this little design. Your head is in the sky, valued at 8. Underneath, valued at 2. The cycle from your head into your neck, into your body, which gets divided on 2 sides. Okay, this is the bottom part of your body. Okay, this is the heart. Right? The neck gets plugged in over here, and then you have the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8, 2, 5, 8, 2. So we play with 5 and 8, and we play on the lower side because we're on the ground. We play over here. That'll be 6 and 7. Over here, it's 3 and 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We play over here. We play in between, okay? This area and this area. I'm going to explain that right now. This is an 8 to 1 area. This is a 17 to 1 area. This is 8. 8, 17 is 25. 8, 17 is 25. 8 and 8 is 16, and 17 is 33. But 8 is 25. 25 equals a total of 50. 8, 17 is 25, and 8 equals to 33. What is this? This is your roulette board, okay? In roulette, okay, here is your number over here. Here is your next number over here. Here is your third number. This number, okay, can only be played in 2 places and 2 places. If this number comes in, these chips are saved. These are both losers. You get 17 to 1. 17 to 1 equals 34, okay, for 1. Either one of these, you don't lose any of them. It's 33, 35 to 1 for this. 35 and 35. Excuse me, 35 is right here. Right on the number is 35. So if you put 1 right on the number, okay, you're going to get 35 back. And it only gets divided in half. You only get to play 2 halves. So what is this one over here? This one gets to play both sides. If you play here or here, 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 or here. 17 to 1, 17 to 1, 17 to 1. Over here is 17 to 1, 17 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. At 17 to 1 equals to 68. Then we have over here, okay, we have 8 to 1 and 8 to 1. We have 8 to 1 and 8 to 1 is 16. And we have 6 times 35 to 1 is 210. The total is 84, 94, 294 is your total. But you will not get all that. If you put 1 chip over here, okay, you put 1 chip over here, okay, you will, and 1 chip over here. If this one comes up, okay, you save this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, okay? And if you put the one below, and we're not going to talk about the one below right now. We're just going to talk 17, 17, 17 is a total of 51. That is your Mars. You want to have 1 more, it is an exit, okay, into the next level. You cannot possibly have this level and have this level at the same time. You put this one here, you have both levels. You put 1 over here, it's 11 to 1. So let's count. If we put the maximum we can get is 1, 2, 3, 4. 17 times 4 equals to 68. Plus the 1 on the 35. 35 times 1 equals to 35. And at the same time, okay, you can now get a corner here bet and a corner here bet. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a corner and a corner, and a corner and a corner. It is 4 times 8 to 1. You notice that it's 17 to 1, 1 and 7 is 8. You notice that it's 8 to 1 over here, and 35 to 1, 3 and 5 is 8. They're all 8s. Okay, the numbers have to be perfect. So there's 4 times 8, okay, here equals to 32. So you can get 32 4 times, you can get 35 1 time, and you can get 17 4 times. A total of 4, 1, 4, and that is the same number to your DNA in the IT system. Okay? Hewitt. U is 21. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 equals to the sun. So we get 67. 67 and 68 is 135. 3, 6, 12, 13, 15, 135, ACE. Okay? Remember, the E family, okay, on one side of it gets A. On the other side of it, it gets I. In between, it's 2, 3, and 4. And in between, it is 8, 7, and 6. 9 and 21. 69, 79, 89, 90 is your birth. The same thing keeps going up. The O letter is a value of 15, 1 and 5. When you add up 9, 5, and 1, it totals to 15. The U letter, okay, is because 1 and 5 equals to 6, plus 6 equals to 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals to 9, 5, 14, 15, 15. 1 plus 5 is 6 equals to 21U. The combination and creation and connecting of all the numbers. Now what we're going to talk about over here is 1, 2, 3, 4, how these boxes. Do you notice that the multiplication is 2 is on one side, 3 is on one side? The addition is because the above and below. See the multiplication? This is the division between these two. So in order to get them back, you go 2 times 3 and 3 times 2. 1 and 4 is 5, 2 and 3 is 5. This is the house of 5. If this is the house of 5, okay, then look how this works. 4 times 3 equals to 7. 4 times plus 3 equals to, 4 times 3 equals to 12. 4 plus 3 equals to 7. 2 times 3 equals to 6. 2 times plus 3 equals to 5. So you have 4 and 3 together. You have 2 and 3 together. So now we're going to bring you 1 and 4. 1 times 4, 1 plus 4 equals 5 and 4. Equals 9. Okay? 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 is 6 and 5, 11. 1 and 4 equals 9. 2 and 3 equals to 11. 1 times 3, 1 plus 4 equals to 7. Now, since 2 is inside of 3, and 2, you need 2 2's to make up 4. Since 1 is inside of 3, and 2 is inside of 3. 3 and 4 come together. Since this is the scenario, we get 3 times 4, 3 plus 4, equals to now 19. This is 7, 9, 11. This is the game of craps and the buildings that went down. What else do we have inside of here? Yes, inside of here, okay, listen to this. In this area, you have 8 voids. In this area, okay, you have 7 voids. In this area, you have 6 voids. In this area, you have 5 voids. What does that mean? Every block, okay, will have 9. If you have 4 dots, you're missing 5, okay? So once we have this, we have all 9s. We now have all 9s. We have no 5. We have no 5 anywhere. We have all 9s and no 5. It's 9 to 5. And these letters over here, the E is 5, the I is 9. This will create a 10, this will create a 10, and that will create Mars. Okay, if we add on the angel A, it'll now make 52. Okay, A, E, and I, and now we will have Earth. When we total it out, we have 103, and that'll be a touchdown, and that will be Mother Earth. Mother Earth. M, Mars, and me. M-E in the initials. Now, I know it could be any jargon I want to talk about. Now, what we're going to do right now is understand that in low shu, okay, in low shu, the first 4 numbers are like this. They are 4, they are 9, they are 3, and they are 5. Because it's corners. It's corners. This corner here, I need 4 of these. Here, here, and here to make this alive. This doesn't count, okay? This is the house. This is the house. The house is designed like this, okay? There are 4 of these. All this is shared. It's shared inside the house, and it's shared between the other houses. Every house has a piece of its own. This is the center to the house. This is another center to the house. Here's another block to the house. Here's another block to the house. Now, I keep going over. I just want to stop right now. I just have so many visions and understanding of how these things can connect that if somebody would show me, I can actually put that into its reality of how it would actually work. This is the planets. We got Saturn over Jupiter, and then we have Mercury, Venus, and Earth. Now, since this one is right over the sky, okay, they're in sequence. The center, it is the center. It is a splice in the center. All these 3 are the same. And when they rotate into these 2 planets. They rotate into themselves. 4, 5, 6 rotate into themselves. This is 2, 5, and 8. 8 sinks its teeth. Neptune, inside of these 2 planets. You see Pluto over here? He only sinks his teeth into Saturn. Earth only sinks his teeth into Saturn. Venus, okay, if you put a straight line all the way down, Venus will go inside of Jupiter, inside of Saturn, and come out inside of Neptune, okay? Uranus, okay, will splice itself into Jupiter. This is Jupiter, sorry. Mars will splice itself into Jupiter and Mercury. So these planets will splice into all the planets, but not this planet. This is Neptune. This is a bigger planet. And according to the artwork that I've done, this planet goes in, this planet does not go in. This is the same sort of design. Where do we get actually the square and the circle from? Is because there are circles inside the square. Everything is pieces and parts. I'm just going to change this up a little bit. This over here, we're going to have to go through that after. Wow. Did I say anything? Did anything make sense? Don't feel like I did. I don't like it. I'd like to go back to do the card video. And I just want to tell you, I didn't finish this video. This is 25 times 25, 625. And this is going to show for more formation with the numbers and how and why numbers work and how I choose the numbers, okay? How I choose the numbers. There is one of the numbers, as when I choose 2 and 3, it's very special in communication, 23 and 18. Why do I get 23 and 18? 18 quarters is $4.50 or becomes the fox, okay? 23 quarters becomes $6.75, okay? 6 3/4. 675 is also 18, creates 1 and 8. So everything has a formation. The numbers go in, they keep going in and out and in and out, and the words follow it, and eventually you start to see formation and it talks to you. Raphael, 7286, in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.